It is my weekly grocery shopping day once again. I'm about to head out with Levi, my best little helper. We are going to go to Safeway and pick up the deals there. They had a few really good deals, and then they had a $5 off $30 purchase coupon. So definitely going to take advantage of that. And then the other place that we're going to go is New Seasons Market. And I don't do a lot of grocery shopping there because it is one of the higher priced grocery stores around, similar to Whole Foods. And so I don't do a lot of like bulk shopping there, but there are a few things there that I just can't get anywhere else really. And I'm on their like neighborhood rewards, I don't know, savings email list or something. And they sent out a coupon that you could clip. Of course, clip doesn't make sense anymore when it's a digital coupon. So click makes a lot more sense. So I clicked the coupon for 20% off your whole purchase, like just for Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So I was like, okay, well, we'll go there and pick up a few things, that I can just get there and do. It's always fun to go shopping at New Seasons. For those of you that may not know, New Seasons is close to our hearts in this family because I actually worked at New Seasons before we got married, and then after we got married, Jeff started working there, and he worked there for I forget how long. It was a lot of years. So we've been part of the New Seasons family in the past, and still feel it's still close to our heart. So I do enjoy going there whenever I can. It's always fun to shop around. They have lots of cute like gift items and like little stuffies and mugs, and so it's always just a really fun place to go shopping. So we're gonna enjoy that, Levi and I, and get 20% off of our purchase at the same time. So win-win. So we're headed out now. Are you ready to go? Or you have to finish your electrolyte jello first?
I want to eat this in the car.
Oh, you do? That's a funny way to eat jello. First stop is New Seasons. You got your money for safekeeping? Nice. Look at all these pumpkins.
There's a white.
Those are pretty. Oh, look at these cool corn stalks they have in this.
Yeah.
It's so pretty. Yeah, those are crazy. Those are huge stems.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Heavy. I can't even carry it.
They're so pretty. All the corn
My
stalks.
cars are like bumpy.
You don't? I think that's awesome.
It's
So weird.
It's like weird.
It's so weird.
It sometimes kind of looks like the orange parts on them kind of look like like water drops.
Yeah, they do. And look at how twisty that stem is. That's really cool.
Yeah.
Cinderella pumpkins. Yeah.
Oh. Oh, cool.
And they got little tiny pumpkins too. Those are cute.
That's so cute. Look how tiny this one is.
Do you want to try some maple apple cider tea?
Oh,
Sure.
smells good.
It smells really good. It's hot, huh?
Yes. It's good. Going this way and then.
All the cute mugs that I shouldn't look at.
Oh, Mom, this is cute.
I know, I have a bunch of these already, so that's good.
Let me get one of each.
That's good. These ones are cute.
Let me have one of these and one of these.
They're just too small for me. Mushrooms. Oh, I love these cups. They're so cute. Oh, I love this cup too. That is so cute. It's really cute. Oh, look at these salt and pepper shakers. They're little mushroom salt and pepper shakers. I love it.
Yeah.
Happy Thanksgiving. Oh, that's cute. Oh, I like these. Very cool. These are cute too. These would be perfect for like soup. And they have green ones. Oh, I like that so much, but I cannot. These are cool. It's the Siete chips, like the sweet ones, but you could give them out for Halloween. Magic Spoon pumpkin spice cereal stuff. This stuff is really tasty. Like, we've tried it once, I think. It's really good, but the prices are insane. $8.99 on sale. Have you guys seen this? Sparkle syrup. So crazy. Maple syrup with sparkles. I told you guys about my favorite chocolate. There it is. My favorite chocolate the other week. And with my 20% coupon, I'll go ahead and get a few of these to stock up on. Oh, well, these are the coffee ones that are my favorite.
My favorite's probably gonna be this.
Orange? All right, you can get one of those. Yeah, and we'll share it with the girls.
Yeah, but I could eat some in the car.
Yeah.
Just like,
sure.
Maybe when I'm hungry, but I'm not going to eat too much.
Okay, sounds good. Great choice.
I don't want to eat too much to not get sick.
Yeah, you don't want to get sick. All the pumpkin spice stuff. And, caramel apple almond latte. Pumpkin spice almond latte. Caramel apple crumble. Creamer. Pumpkin spice creamer. Pumpkin cookie dough. Nut pods. Pumpkin spice and pumpkin pie. Chai spice oat. Got all kinds of stuff. Ooh, pumpkin yogurt. Pumpkin harvest crisp yogurt. Pumpkin Greek yogurt. All the pumpkin. Ooh, crisp apple lollipop.
This is scoop of that.
It looks ooh la la.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
Yeah.
That means it looks good.
Yeah.
It looks ooh la la.
You don't want green tortillas?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll just get these corn tortillas.
Okay.
Oh,
Got
God.
everything? Got everything.
Oh, look at these. They have these grain-free,
What's missing?
big burrito size. What's missing?
It's the chocolate.
Wow. Ooh, cassava flour, tapioca flour, avocado oil. These are pretty good ingredients. They also have chickpea flour, cassava flour, and almond flour ones. I think we got everything we need. Headed to the checkout. You need socks before we go?
This is good. These are good and these look cool.
That does look cool.
This is
They're all so crazy.
pretty.
Chicken wing socks. I think we need chicken wing socks.
I think we do.
That's crazy. These are cool. Silicone dividers for a sheet pan. That is an interesting idea. We will do a back of the car haul. So I need to do a big batch of yogurt, fermented dairy, and I don't use the raw milk that we get from the farm for that. I've talked about that before. The bacteria compete, so you want something that's pasteurized. So they had these half gallons of pasteurized half and half. That were a pretty good price, especially with that 20% discount. So I went ahead and got 4 of those. And then I got 2 of these gluten-free teriyaki sauces. These are the ones that I used when I make bacon wrapped dates, which are fantastic. And it's really hard to find like a gluten-free teriyaki sauce in any other grocery stores. So when I go to New Seasons, I pick up that and kind of keep it in stock. So I got 2 of those. And then I've tried a lot of chickpea pastas recently, and this one is one of the best. It's actually really, really good. There were a couple of them that were really bad. So just because it's cheaper doesn't always mean that it's a better deal, because it's sometimes terrible. But this brand was really good. So I got a couple of the shells of that. I picked up one of the Bob's Red Mill baking powder, and then I got 4 packs of organic white corn tortillas. It's really hard to find organic corn tortillas in the store, either organic or just non-GMO. If you look at the packages, they don't say non-GMO, so you can assume they're probably GMO. So I prefer to stick with organic or non-GMO, and so I always try to get them at New Seasons because I just can't find them anywhere else these days. Then we stocked up on some chocolate. I got 4 bars of my favorite Coffee Crunch chocolate, and Levi picked out out the orange peel chocolate, and he already has a row of chocolate squares that he is enjoying. So my receipt, they sent me electronically, so I don't have it to show you, but the total came out to $75 and some cents. I forget how much cents, but even with the 20% discount, it's not cheap coming out of new seasons. So we don't shop here very often, just, you know, stocking up on some things. And then this half and half was a big chunk of it. But it did end up being a better deal than what I typically get at Safeway for organic half and half. So that worked out well. Next stop is Safeway. Avocados and peppers are a good price. We'll grab some of those. They had ripe bananas by the front door. Now we need to find some not as ripe bananas.
Not ripe bananas.
Now let's try to get the greenest ones. These look good. Greenest so that they're not going to get too ripe too fast. Sure. Look at these. That's good.
Yeah, because
Oh, and we need to get potatoes. The girls asked for potatoes. Is that a good one? Let's look at them. Make sure they look good. That one's already growing. Let's get a different one. Gonna grab some celery. Lots of produce today. Oh, and then organic cucumbers were a good coupon. I think they're over here.
All the stuff right here looks good to eat right now.
Yeah.
All the stuff.
These.
The vegetables.
They don't look very nice though. I think we're gonna skip that.
I'm gonna get some carrots.
No, we have carrots at home.
Okay.
There's a limit 2 on these, so just get 2. Levi loves this yogurt. Here, let's put it down here. We don't want to smash our bananas.
This could be our yogurt spot.
Yogurt spot?
Like the cold
Produce spot.
Like the cold.
All right, and then we got cheese on sale
like
too.
The hottest and cold part.
Hottest
and
and
the
cold.
part.
Got it. Gonna get some cheese slices. Colby check. Go put these in.
Okay.
We can get 4. I guess we'll just do pepper jack. Here you go, put those in. All right, gotta check out the reduced stuff. I don't think we need that. Anything amazing? What is that? A watermelon knife? I don't think I need a dedicated watermelon knife. Okay, let's go. I think we did it. I think we got everything we needed, and even more that we didn't need, probably. Here is a view of our Safeway haul. We were completely out of seltzer waters, so I grabbed these. There's a coupon for $2.99 a piece, so it wasn't a terrible price. So I got some of our favorite flavors, a couple tangerine, a couple lime, and a couple yuzu. Those are really good. If you haven't tried the yuzu flavor, I wasn't sure what to think of it, but it's just kind of unique, but also citrusy. So very good. I got some baking soda, stocked up on that. I use this for cooking and for cleaning and for in my baths, and we are now getting into bath season again, so I got a few of those. I got 3 of the orange peppers, 3 of the red peppers, a bunch of celery, and 4 avocados. I got a 10-pound bag of russet potatoes. These were on sale for $1.99 a piece, and Levi loves the lemon flavor. It was a limit 2, so got 2 of those. Got 4 of these. They were on sale also. 2 Colby Jack and 2 Pepper Jack. Watermelons were on sale, so we'll have another taste of summer before summer is ended. So I got one of those. This was almost 20 pounds. It's so heavy. Then we got a whole bunch of bananas, and I think that is all. There is a view of the receipt. I got my $5 off my $30 or more purchase, and then I had another $1 of rewards on there, so got both of those, and the total I spent was $62.80. Now, I forgot to mention there is one last place that we're going, and that is to pick up our milk for the week. The milk has been acquired, and we are all stocked up.